Here's something Yearbook and Composite users have been asking for years. Something impossible with the standard PSPA files or any other software. Multiple photos per entry. To add a baby picture, freshman, or any combination of multiple images. Here's a very simple example. In Excel, column 1 has the main photo. Column 2 has the alternate photo. Then the first name, last name, the class. Obviously, this is a very simple example, but we'll keep it simple for this demo. When you're done, simply save the database as a CSV file. Back in Memento, import the index in the Memento project. Once the data is inside Memento, you'll notice that the data has two sources for the images, each source showing a different image. Add a composite frame to your layout and populate it. In this case, we'll display the Smith class. Go to Portrait Template and click on Edit. Modify the portrait template by adding borders, the name, change the font, do anything you want. And to add a second image, click on the portrait icon and change the source to display the alternate image. Once you're happy with the design, simply save the portrait template and generate the composite for a preview of the final project.